Hey folks, I got something kind of interesting today. I saw something on social media that kind of caught my eye, and it was cheese pickles. Well, technically it's string cheese that you put into pickle juice and let it sit in the refrigerator for a few days, and it absorbs, the pickle flavor and everything. So I really wanted to try it because I love cheese, I love pickles. So here's how I made it. It's pretty easy. Anybody can do it. And then come back and I'll give it a taste test and see. I posted this on Instagram and several people were like, they were curious. They wanted to know how it was going to turn out. If the pickle juice causes the string cheese to become like really gummy or slimy or whatever. So stay tuned and we'll find out. Okay, here I have 9 mozzarella string cheese sticks and one of my favorite pickles from H-E-B, the Pickle Me Dilly. So just place these cheese sticks in. Yeah, it's probably better to do several at a time so they'll stand up. And you don't have to add anything else to it, because once you add all of those pickles, it really takes up a lot of space and expands, and it covers the pickles or covers the cheese sticks perfectly. So now I'm going to put the top on it and place it in the refrigerator for at least 5 days. And then I'll give it a try. So please stay tuned and let's see how this experiment turns out. I think it'll be pretty good. Okay, this is actually a brand that I really like, a brand of pickles that I like from H-E-B. Pickle Me Dilly. So I decided to use that. This was just some, we'd finished the pickles and had some leftover juice and didn't have to add anything. So let's give it a taste here. So that's what the pickled cheese looks like. Smells like pickles for sure. Let's see what it tastes like. I need another bite of that. Wow. That really, really elevated string cheese. The flavor is fantastic. It does not affect the texture of the string cheese whatsoever. It's exactly how you would, you take it out of the package, the texture wise. But it adds so much flavor. I could see doing this a number of different ways to like really, really impart a lot of flavor. Just starting with this, because I've done some experiments in the past where I put horseradish in with pickles and you get like a really good horseradish pickle. I could see, throwing some horseradish in here, making a nice spicy horseradishy pickle cheese. But yeah, it's not gummy, it's not slimy. The cheese is exactly the same, except it has that flavor of pickles. And it's a really good, it's not an overpowering pickle. It's just like a really good pickle flavor. I am glad I did this. I'm going to bring this in to work because there's several people I work with that are big pickle fans, and they are going to love this. So there you have it, folks. Cheese pickles. Thanks for watching.